Today we are making eggplant parmigiana, a simple and a delicious Italian dish. Let's get started. First, chop an onion into small pieces. Next, slice the eggplants into 1 cm thick rounds. Try to keep them the same size so they cook evenly. Now let's make the sauce. Heat some olive oil in a pot. Add the onion and cook until soft. Then pour in good tomato passata. A tasty sauce makes all the difference. Add a spoon of honey, salt, pepper and some fresh basil leaves. Let it cook until it gets thicker. About 1/3 of the liquid should disappear. Now grill the eggplant. Use a hot pan and be careful not to burn it. While the sauce is cooking, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. When the sauce is ready and the eggplant is grilled, it's time to put everything together. Start with a layer of sauce, then add eggplant slices, some torn mozzarella and grated Parmesan. Repeat the layers until you use all the ingredients. Now put it in the oven and bake for 40 minutes. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more easy vegetarian ideas. When it's done, add fresh basil and that's it. Your eggplant parmigiana is ready.